Can you see that screen okay, Odette?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Clear.
All right, so first of all, I want to welcome everybody to Unit 3, Friends and Family.
Yes.
We're in the unit that talks all about friends and family. What are we going to learn today? Today we're going to learn how to, well, I think we're going to learn how, here we go. We're going to learn how to ask questions and answer questions in the present continuous verb tense. So
Okay.
we're talking about action or verbs
Mm-hmm.
and how to ask and answer questions. So again, the two main points: answer questions in the present continuous tense. So how do we make the present continuous verb tense? You need, really, to make a sentence, you need three things in order for it to be the present continuous. So first of all, you need a subject pronoun. So a subject pronoun, can you give me an example of a subject pronoun, Odette?
I.
Good. I, he. What's another one?
You.
Good. You. Good. Those are all great examples. So you need a subject pronoun or a subject, and then you need the be verb in the simple present form. So if I use I, what be verb would I use?
I am.
Good. And then you also need the verb plus ing to finish the sentence. So can you give me an example? I am.
I am sleeping
Good.
too late. I am
Good.
sleeping.
Okay. I am sleeping. That's a great example. All right, let's take a look at Jason's schedule.
Yes.
Answer the questions in the present continuous. All right, can you read Jason's schedule for me? What does it say over here?
8 and 9 a.m. Drinking coffee.
Okay,
Drink coffee. 10 a.m. Study for math.
good,
At noon, eat lunch.
good,
At 2 p.m., watch the news.
good.
At 9 p.m., go to bed.
Very good. All right, so now let's see if we can answer these questions. What is Jason doing at 9 a.m.? So let's take a look. How would you answer that question?
Jason is drinking coffee.
Wonderful. I'm going to write that so everybody can see it.
Yeah.
Jason, what could we, yep, Jason is
Drinking.
coffee. Nice. What subject pronoun could I use instead of Jason?
Jason.
If I wanted to change Jason and use a subject pronoun, which one would I use?
He.
Good. He is drinking coffee
Yeah.
at 9 a.m. Good job. All right. How about question number 2?
What is Jason doing at 2 p.m.?
Okay. Can you answer that one?
Sorry. He's watching the news.
Good job. He's watching the news at 2 p.m.
At 2 p.m.
Good. How about number 3?
What is Jason doing at 9? Is eating lunch at noon.
Good job. He's eating lunch at noon. How about number 4?
Number 4, what is Jason doing at 10 a.m.? Is studying for math at 10 a.m.
Good job. Now, I like what you did there. You used the contraction, which is okay. You said he's studying for math at 10 a.m. Of course, he is, or he's is the same as he is. Good job. All right, let me move the screen here a little bit so we can see it. Give me 1 second. All right. And how about the last one?
The last one, I can't see that.
Can you see 5?
No.
Oh, hold on a second. There we go. Can you see it now? Oh, you cannot see it. Well, let's see here.
Okay, yeah, I saw that.
Oh, now okay, hold on. Let me get this thing out of the way here. Okay, go ahead.
What is, oh my God.
Hold on, it'll come back.
Yeah. What is Jason doing at 9 to bed at 9 p.m.?
Good job. I'll write that up here. He is going to bed at 9 p.m. Good job. Okay. All right. Can you read the directions at the top of the screen?
Answer the question A. Choose the correct verb. Answer the question in the present continuous with contraction.
Okay. Do you remember what a contraction is?
No.
So when you say he is, he's, it's when you get rid of one of the letters and put the word together.
It is.
Yeah, he's for he is.
Okay, yes, thank you.
So what you're going to do is you're going to look at these words at the top and you're going to try to answer these questions and use the present continuous with the verb up here that works in this sentence. So read number 1.
Number 1. What is Kelly doing?
Okay, and then look over here for your clue. A book.
A book.
Kelly
is reading a book.
Good job. So let me get my writing tool out. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Good night. Okay.
Bless you.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got it right. Kelly's, that's the contraction. Yeah, Kelly's reading a book. What else could I say? Instead of Kelly, I could use a pronoun.
She or he.
Good. It could be a boy or a girl. You're right.
Yeah.
Let's say it's a girl.
She's reading a book.
Good. How about number 2?
What's Robert doing? He's talking on the phone.
Good job. How about number 3?
What is Mike doing? He's taking a picture.
Good. And of course, we can't see that last one.
Let me see.
All
I
right,
can't
hold
see
on a
that
sec.
one.
Yeah, let me get out of the the draw here a second. Can you see it now?
No. Yeah. Oh. No.
Hold on a second. It's gonna. Oh, let me go back. All right.
Yeah. What are Irene and Jack doing? They they are
Uh-huh.
eating tacos.
Good job. They are eating tacos. Or to make it a contract.
They're
Good. They're eating
eating
tacos.
tacos.
Very good. All right, good job. Let's go to the next one. Let's do these too.
What is playing in the bed?
Um, are you doing number one?
Oh.
What's Roy doing?
What Roy doing? Is watching
Good.
the news.
He's watching the news. Nice. What's Brenda doing?
She's listening to music.
Good. She's listening to music. What are Lewis and Marco doing?
They are studying English.
Good. They are there. We're going to use the contraction.
Yeah.
They're studying English.
English.
Nice job. And of course, we can't see the bottom again. Hold on. Can you see that?
What's Ibrahim doing? He's sleeping in. He's sleeping in bed.
Good job. He's sleeping in bed. Nice. Okay, so those were all things that we talked about in our last lesson. We talked about the present continuous. So that was a nice little review. Today we want to talk about answering questions in the present continuous tense.
Okay.
So let's take a look at that. Well, actually, we just looked at answering questions. Let's take a look at the present continuous and how we form it. And I think you've got this down pretty good. Let's look at the chart. Again, when we ask a question, we have to use what, okay? So, and then you have to use the be verb, and then the subject pronoun, and then whatever they're doing. So, for example, we would say, what am I doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You know, this is very strange for people learning English because you'll notice when you ask the question, the subject and verb are switched. The verb comes first and then the subject, which is the opposite of a statement. So this confuses people sometimes. What is he doing? What is she doing? What is it doing? What are we doing? What are you doing? Yep. What are they doing? And notice you can change the subject pronoun to a person's name. So instead of what is he doing, you can say, what is John doing? Or instead of
Yeah.
she, you can say, what is Lucy doing? Instead of they, you can see down here, what are John and Lucy?
Lucy doing.
Yep, good. Okay. So what would I put right here?
What?
Good.
The question.
Yep. What is she doing?
Yeah.
What would I put here?
What is a verb?
Good. What is he doing?
Yeah.
Great job. What would I put here?
A question. What are they doing?
Excellent. What are they doing? How about here?
What are you doing?
Good job. What are you doing?
Yeah.
All right. So now let's see if we can complete these. Complete the questions in the present continuous. Can you do number 1?
Number 1. Sure. Oh.
You need some coffee, huh?
I don't take coffee.
Do you drink tea?
Yeah.
All right. My wife drinks tea too. You want to read these for me? Let's see if we can do these together.
What?
Yeah, read the whole sentence. All right, so we just went over all of these, and Odete did a really great job filling in the blanks. Number 1, will you read these one more time for me? You did a beautiful job.
What are they doing?
Number 2.
What is Ryan doing?
Good,
What are we doing?
good,
What are you doing?
nice.
What am I doing?
Mm-hmm.
What is Linda doing?
Good.
What is it doing?
Excellent. Thank you very much, Odete. She got 100% on that one. Good job. Okay. Let's look at the conversation. It says read the conversation. So I'll be the lady at the top, you be the girl at the bottom, okay?
Yes.
Hey Joyce. Oh, sorry. I don't it's supposed to be a woman. I'll try to sound like a woman.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey Joyce, how are you and your family?
We are having a great we're having a great day. My daughter is playing a game. My son Ralph is doing his homework. My husband George is cleaning the kitchen, and I am reading a book.
Okay, good job. Now, you'll notice in this conversation, they use the present continuous a lot, don't they?
Yeah.
So when you look at the conversation, where's the first present continuous verb? Do you see it? It'd be the be verb plus the verb ing.
This one here having.
Good, 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 good. We're having. Where's the next one?
My daughter is playing.
Good. And where's the next one?
Is doing.
Good.
Is cleaning.
Good.
I'm reading.
Okay, great. So you're going to notice we use the present continuous in our conversations a lot. So whenever you're talking to someone on the phone or just anywhere at a restaurant, you're going to use present continuous all the time. to talk about things that are going on right now. So it's a really powerful verb tense. All right, good job. Let's move to the next slide here, and it's going to ask us some questions. All right, so can you read the first question?
How many kids does Joyce have?
Yeah,
2.
good. And what are they, boys, girls?
What is her son names?
Yeah,
Her son names is Ralph.
good. Her son's name is Ralph. Good job. Here it is right here.
What is her husband's name? It is George.
Excellent. That's right. And we see that right here.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. Now I want you to get out your notebook, okay?
Yes.
And in your notebook, I want you to write 3 questions in the present continuous about Joyce's family. So, does that make sense? For example, let me give you an example. All right. There we go. And your answer was correct. I'm going to go ahead. Okay. So what would the question be?
What are what is what is May doing?
Yeah. So let's go back and look at the picture again. She is playing with her mom. What is May doing? Good job. All right, here's a few more questions. Can you read the next question?
She is listening to music. Oh, which one? The first?
Yeah, read number 1.
They are eating popcorn.
Okay.
Okay. What are Joan and John doing?
Good job. What are Joanne and John doing? They are eating popcorn. Good. How about number 2?
She's listening to music. What is Sarah doing?
Good job. She's listening to music. How about number 3?
She's talking on the phone. What is Sarah's mom doing?
Hey, great job. What is Sarah's mom doing?
Yeah.
She's talking on the phone. Nice. All right. And then I know you can't see it yet. There you go.
She's playing with her daughter.
Yep. She's playing with her daughter. Let me go back to the picture here. Hold on.
What's Kim doing?
Good job. She's playing with her daughter. Hey, great job. All right. So that's the end of our lesson for today. Let's go in and take a look at what we're going to do for homework today, okay?
Yes.
So if you come into Google Classroom, you will jump into classwork.
Yeah.
And you'll go to, you'll have to wait. I'm going to post this in a little bit after the video uploads, but you'll see the independent study.
Yes.
And I put the lesson from the book. The student workbook is right here.
Yeah.
And So you can open that up and look at it, and then you can see the answers to that are right down here. Check your answers if there are answers. And then also I put the PowerPoint, the slides that I used today. You can see those right here. And then finally, there are some worksheets. I put the worksheets in here. And you guys, again, there's 3 different worksheets. The first one is really easy. The second one's a little bit harder. And then the third one is the hardest. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
I would encourage you, Odete, to do the third one because I think you understand this English grammar quite well. Okay?
Yeah.
So come in and see if you can answer. It says, look at the pictures, complete the questions and answers. So number 1, we're looking at number 1, the example. Can you read the example?
What's Bob doing?
And then the answer is he's
He's
sleeping.
sleeping.
So you would just look at number 2. What would number 2 be?
What is he doing?
Pam and Joanne doing. Good job.
They
And
are
what would,
reading.
good.
They are reading a book.
Excellent. So you go ahead and finish that one. Again, look at the picture, complete the conversation. So you got 2 people talking, okay?
Yeah.
And then answer the questions, use your own information. What are you doing? What's your classmate doing? What's your teacher doing? What's your class doing? And again, it says, just use your imagination, okay?
Yes.
And practice using the present continuous to answer those questions in a complete sentence.
Okay.
When you get done with that, you can come back over here and you can see the answers are the same for all 3 worksheets, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, then the last thing I'll post today is the actual video, this video, okay?
Yes.
And you'll want to make sure that by the end of the day you take the quiz. So let's just take a quick look. Click on the Google form and you'll come in here, make sure you're logged in with your school account. And it says choose the correct question.
Okay.
And then you got to look down here and pick the one that's perfect. Okay? And select it. Do that for all of those. And then at the very bottom, make sure you hit submit to get your grade. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, Odete, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you too.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
All right, go get some tea.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Bye.